Alright, Venn diagrams. We have 300 people that watch the sports game. So that's our total. And 130 rooted for the red team, 162 rooted for the blue team, 57 didn't root for either team. So on a Venn diagram, we always have at least two circles. So I'm going to have two overlapping circles. And one of them is called red, the other one is blue. And for the red team, all we know is the total is 130. So all I know to start this out is that 57 are not included in those circles because they just came to hang out with their friends. They didn't root for either team. So how many need to be accounted for in the circles? Well, 300 minus 57, in other words, our total minus the ones outside the circles gives us the number that's inside the circles, or 243. So each of these three circles, this one, and this one, need to add up to 243. All right? So where do I go next? Well, I'm given another number, the 130 and the 162. That's how many are in the red and blue. So I can do 130 plus 162. That gives me 292. Now, what you may have guessed now, I have 292 and 243. I can just subtract these numbers to find out how many are represented in the intersection of these two. So I'm going to do 292 minus 243. And that is going to give me 49. So 49 are counted twice, in other words. So if I know 49 are in the intersection there, I can just do however many reds there are, which is 130. So I just do 130 minus the ones that are red and blue, cheering for both teams. And that's going to give me 12 minus 4 is 8, so 81 right there. And then again with the blue I can just do 162 minus the 49. 12 minus 9 gives me 3. 15 minus 4 gives me 11. So 113, and I should be able to add up those four numbers to check it. And 57 plus 81 plus 49 plus 113, and they better equal my total, which is 300. All right, I'm going to give you guys one question to try on your own, and go ahead and give it a shot. All right, here's your question. Go ahead and try this one on your own. Pause the video, and then I'll have the solution for you. All right, and here's your solution. All right, our first step, we have 67 on the outside, and we did 300 minus 67 to find out how many were in the circles. So that plus that plus that has to add up to 233. Whoops, I just got my mistake there. That was 400 minus 67, which is 333, have to add up to the three circles. My bad. All right, now I added up my red and blue, and I have 433 are red and blue. Red or blue, but some of them are going to be cheering for both teams. So if I just subtract 333, which was the number that's supposed to be in these three circles, that'll give me how many are represented twice. So that 100 is going to be what goes right here. And now if I know that's 100, I can just do my reds are going to be 190 minus the 100 is going to be 90, goes right here. And I can do my total number of blues, which is 243, minus my 100 gives me 143. And if I add up those four numbers, 67, I'll just underline those, 67 plus 90 plus 100 plus 143, they better add up to 400, and they do.